Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will see how to set up a consultant, add a service charge and an appointment type, and set up a clinic. First, create a new consultant. On the Practice homepage, select the Consultants Rooms tab. Click the Add New button. The consultant or room is just a simple title with either the consultant's name or a room name. You can choose to use either. However, to make it more meaningful for your potential clients, we recommend using a consultant's name. Click Save to finish. Next, create a service charge. This time, click on the main menu and select Settings, then Products. Click the Add New button. In this example, we will set up a service charge for a contact lens checkup. In the Displayed As field, add the title for your service. You will probably want to make it the same as the appointment type that it will be linked with later. Add a description. This is optional. Select the store or stores to link the charge with. Select the type. This will be either service or product. For appointment booking, this is always service. Select your currency from the drop-down list. Enter a cost price. If there is no sales tax or margin, this will be the same as the retail price. If applicable, enter a sales tax rate as a percentage value. Note, this does not alter the retail price. Leave blank for 0 rated or not applicable. If you wish, you can enter a percentage value for margin. This will alter the retail price accordingly. Click Save to finish. Now let's create an appointment type. Click on the main menu again and select Settings, and this time, Appointment Types. Click the Add New button. In the Displayed As field, enter the name for your appointment type. We recommend keeping this the same as the name of the linked service charge that you just created. In this example, Contact Lens Checkup. Add the description. This will be displayed to users on the iBooked.com website when they are booking appointments with you. It is useful to add a brief overview of the terms and conditions for booking, etc. Choose a color for the appointment using the color picker. This is how the appointment will be displayed in the appointment diary and is for internal use only. Choose the store to associate with this appointment type. Choose the linked service charge. In this case, Contact Lens Checkup. Under Cancellation Up To, enter a number representing either hours or days. Under Cancellation Period Unit, select either hours or days. The other options, aged under or over, new or existing patients, and NHS type, are for internal use only and do not restrict users on iBooked.com from booking this appointment. Note, if you do not link the appointment with a service charge, the appointment type will not be available to book online. You may wish to do this intentionally for appointment types you wish to reserve for internal use. For example, an emergency appointment. Click Save to finish. Now that we have set up a consultant, service charge, and appointment type, we are ready to create a clinic. From the main menu, select Home. Select the store from the display. We are now back in the store homepage. Select Clinics tab. You will now see that we have 2 consultants available to book. Choose a day from the calendar for the consultant you want to book a clinic with. The clinic booking form will be displayed. The clinic date and consultant are fixed and cannot be changed. Choose the start, finish, and lunch times. If you want to add a non-bookable break for lunch, click Has Lunch. Set the length of the lunch break. Set the length of the appointment time. This will determine the availability of appointment slots on iBooked.com. However, You can alter the appointment length manually when booking appointments internally on the iBooked for Business portal. Select the appointment types you want to be available to book. Note: only appointment types with a linked service charge will appear on iBooked.com. Choose the clinic type. Optionally add a comment for the clinic. This is for internal use only. Click Save to finish.